Despite ramped up efforts to curb HIV and sexually transmitted diseases, the rates of infection continue to rise, and it's taking a toll on the treatment patients are receiving from health providers and clinics. Specifically, patients are sometimes not informed if test results are negative. But now comes a cloud-based app from Healthvana, allowing patients to log in and learn their results, often within hours. Joining us to discuss is Healthvana CEO Ramin Bastani. Hi, Ramin. Thanks for being with us.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So what exactly is going on in clinics? Break it down for us. If a patient's test results are negative, the provider tries to reach them, but if they can't, the patient often never learns of those results?
Yeah, what we constantly hear in healthcare is no news is good news, and that's the same thing that happens with free HIV and STD testing around the country. Our team's been tested over 100 times around different parts, and every single time what you hear is, if you don't hear back from us in 10 days or 2 weeks, no news is good news, right? And so what we're doing is helping patients actually gain access to that data in real time. And by real time, I mean we integrate with the laboratories, so the split second that information is available, it comes to you as the patient, and it tells you in a really easy way to understand what's going on. Not necessarily a lab result, but it actually says, positive, negative. And if you are positive for something like chlamydia, gonorrhea, or syphilis, we don't disclose HIV results because you're getting those in person. It says, don't worry, this is likely curable, here's what to do next.
Now, how have you been able to get healthcare providers on board to deliver that data to your app?
Yeah, we started as a B2C company, focusing directly with consumers, and we had tens of thousands of people who really wanted this. And then the large healthcare providers saw that this was something a lot of patients wanted, so it de-risked it for them. And then they started to reach out to us, and now we're working with a number of the largest sexual health providers across the country, and we've delivered over 100,000 results in the last few months. And about 80% of patients are checking those results, and that's leading to a 75% reduction in phone calls for those clinics where people used to call saying, where are my results, where are my results?
So the clinics are happy because it's taking some of the heat off of them. Now, is it right now just focusing on STD testing?
Yeah, we thought we'd initially start within sexual health, specifically HIV and STD testing, because there's so much anxiety there, right? One of the things we're doing is reducing anxiety and empathizing with the experience patients go through, but also with the healthcare provider because they're overwhelmed. They're trying to do the right thing, they're well-intentioned, but it's really hard when you have that kind of volume, and it's just, it's a difficult problem, and we think we start there, and then we go into places where there's additional anxiety, like waiting for your pap smear results, mammogram results, etc.
Okay, sure. Now, but anything related to data held in the cloud invites concerns over security and privacy. So how are you protecting patients' data?
Yeah, great question. So under HIPAA, which protects the information and is the federal guidelines, we're covered under HIPAA as a business associate. So we have the same responsibilities as a hospital would to protect the data. And you mentioned the cloud. We have our information in the same place the U.S. government hosts a lot of its information. And our technology team is amazing, and they've been protecting health data for over a decade.
All right, Ramin Bastani, thank you so much for telling us about Healthvana.